Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is our class 2 of psychiatry, that is mental health nursing, and in today's lecture we will discuss about mini mental status examination. Very short topic. So in the previous NORCET, like NORCET 9, one question has asked from this topic, like they have given some score and asked what is the scoring, like whether it is mild cognitive impairment or moderate or severe. So that's why I have included this topic. Maybe in the future also they can ask any type of questions from this topic, and it is very simple short topic, ठीक है ना. So MMSE, that is mini mental status examination, it is also known as Falstein test. Falstein test. So what is that? It is the screening for cognitive impairment, right? So it is the test, it is the kind of screening test for the cognitive impairment, like in dementia we are using that, right? So in that, what we are checking, basically it has 30 points. 30 points means 30 marks. Okay, so total 30 points है, and each point has 1 marks, so total हम 30 marks देते हैं. So in that first में जो हमारा questions होता है, that is from orientation, and in orientation we are asking the question from time and the place, right? So 5 question from time, 5 question from the place, and then total कितने point होते हैं? 10 points, or you can say that 10 marks. ठीक है. So time बोले तो like क्या date है, कौन सा day है, क्या time है ना? So like that 5 questions from time, and प्लेस लाइक कौन सी कंट्री में रहते हो, कौन सा स्टेट है आपका, कौन सा सिटी है, कौन सा फ्लोर पे हो. सो लाइक दैट 5 क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द प्लेस. सो टाइम एंड प्लेस, orientation. Then the second question is from the registration. So in registration, what we are checking, we say to the patient any 3 words and ask for repeat that. And if patient is able to repeat all three words, then we are giving 3 marks. If able to 2, then give 2 marks, and if able to recall only 1, then we are giving 1 marks. ठीक है. So repeating 3 named objects like apple, table, penny, and then 3 points or 3 marks. So first is orientation, second is registration, and third one is the attention and calculation. So in attention and calculation we are giving 5 points or 5 marks. So इसमें हम 5 points देते हैं, and what we are checking in that, हम patient को बोलते हैं serial 7 subtraction, like 100 में से 7 गया, then 93 में से 7 गया. So like that हम 5 marks देते हैं. और what we can do, that is the spelling the word backward, है ना. So backward word को spell करना है. So it is like more toughest होता है, and it required more cognition. So basically हम usually कौन सा करते हैं? serial subtraction करते हैं, ठीक है. That is most commonly used. Then the fourth question from the recall. So in the recall we are giving 3 points or 3 marks. So what we are checking during registration, let's suppose हमने patient को बोला था apple, table, penny, repeat that. And then what we are telling to the patient, remember this word, I will ask later. So during recall, when we are checking the recall, so we said to the patient, the word that I have tell you earlier, repeat that. If patient is able to repeat all 3 words, then we are giving 3. If 2, then 2. If able to recall only 1, then we are giving 1 marks. So that is the recall. Then the fifth question is asked from the language. So language का total 8 points होता है. So इसमें हमारे 8 questions basically हम patient से पूछते हैं. So first is the name the objects. That is very simple, and give the 1 marks. Name the objects like showing any objects like this, and ask from the patient what is that. If patient said it is pen, then 1 marks. Then the second is repeating the phrase like no, ifs, ands, or buts. If patient is able to repeat these phrases, then again 1 marks. Third question is follow 3 stage command. Follow 3 stage command में हम 3 marks देते हैं. So इनमें like हम 3 command patient को बोलते हैं. Let's suppose take this paper, fold it, and put on the floor. So 3 stage command है. If patient is able to do all 3 command, है ना, able to follow this all the 3 command, then we are giving 3 marks. And the fourth is reading and obeying a sentence. Like we write any sentence like close your eyes. If patient is able to read close your eyes, and close your eyes action भी करेगा, that is command को भी obey करेगा, then we are giving 2 marks. And the last one is the writing a sentence. So any sentence we are showing to the patient and tell to read that, है ना, to write that. So that is the writing a sentence, है ना. writing a sentence we are saying to the patient write any sentence, है ना. तो कुछ भी हिंदी में या इंग्लिश में whatever their language वो लिखेगा. So that is the 1 marks मिलेगा, ठीक है ना. So that is like total हम 8 points और 8 marks मिलता है from the language से. Then the sixth one we are checking, that is the visual spatial construction. So in visual spatial construction we are giving 1 point, and in that what we are telling to the patient, draw a intersecting pentagons. So like this is the pentagons, right? This is the pentagons. So draw intersecting pentagons. If patient is able to draw this intersecting pentagons, then we are giving again 1 marks. So total कितने हो गए 30 points और 30 marks हो गए. And according to that we are classified that. So ये जो हमारा scoring system है ना, this scoring system is like vary with person's education level. Let's suppose a person who is graduated or professor, for that for these people like 27 25 भी उनके लिए abnormal होगा. जो बहुत लेमैन है, बिल्कुल भी काइंड ऑफ इलिटरेट है, उनके लिए 24 23 भी नॉर्मल होगा, है ना. सो इट इज वेरी मच फ्लक्चुएटिंग, बट दिस स्कोर लाइक दिस नंबर्स वी कैन यूज फॉर आवर एग्जाम, है ना. सो इन दैट व्हाट इज लाइक इफ 24 और मोर देन 24 होगा तो उसको हम नॉर्मल बोलेंगे, देयर इज नो एनी कॉग्निटिव इम्पेयरमेंट. एंड इफ इट इज 18 to 23 होगा तो हम बोलेंगे माइल्ड कॉग्निटिव इम्पेयरमेंट. And if it is 10 to 18 moderate cognitive impairment, and less than 9 होगा तो severe cognitive impairment. So like that we are giving the score. And in NORCET 9 I think they ask from this, I think they have given 19 score दिया था, and they ask कि what is the level of cognitive impairment, whether it is mild, moderate or severe. ठीक है. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन हैज कम, एंड अगेन इट मे बी आस्क कि लैंग्वेज को कितना पॉइंट देते हैं, ठीक है ना, क्या क्या पूछते हैं, या फिर दे आस्क कि हम अटेंशन एंड कैलकुलेशन में कितना पॉइंट्स देते हैं. वन टाइम दे आस्क क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द रजिस्ट्रेशन. आई थिंक they have said कि we are telling to the patient repeat three named objects, है ना. we are saying to the patient any 3 words and asking the patient repeat that. So what we are checking, so why that we are checking registration. So that is the importance of knowing each and every point, right? Okay, so that's all about today. Thank you so much. All the best. लगे रहो, जमे रहो, अच्छे से पढ़ो.